Okay, guys, so dress up challenge. So, yeah, your face should be the face that you make when someone calls you ugly. It, and your back should be something that really matches your personality. You can ask your friends, like, if they say that you are a brave person, you can choose this or this. If someone says you are very good, you can pick angel wings. Any of these, not this though. If someone says that you are very good at music, pick this. This is an axe, but guitar. If anyone says that, you know, you are a very eatable person, like you eat a lot, you have the fridge. Like you literally become the fridge. And if someone says you are an animal person, you know you need this. Also, if someone says like you are dangerous, pick something like this that matches this vibe. Also, you can pick these things for brave. Now, if someone says that you are artistic, pick this. This is very artistic. Yes, for these, you don't need these, but you can choose. Okay, I will not choose, but you can. You can choose this. If you are a party person, you can choose this. If you are a kid from heart, you can choose this. If you are a bubble lumber, and if you like to sing a lot, you can choose this. Also, the others are not important. Now, pick your clothes of the color that actually pick, yeah, pick the color of the clothes according to what you're wearing. But what you're wearing in pants, like if you are wearing red color pants, you wear red color t-shirt, and if you're wearing blue colors t-shirt, wear blue colors pant. And yeah, for skirts, if you are wearing a skirt, you can wear this instead of pants. For hair, you have to choose something that you really like something like that matches, your idol's hair. Like I'm actually gonna put on this because I'm a Kitty Conventi fan. So if you're also a Kitty Conventi fan, well, hugs. Yeah, I know, I'm a big fan. But for hats, you have to choose something that, kind of opposites you. Like if you think you're a fairy, put this on. If you think you're very, pretty, if you think you're very pretty, put this on. If you think you're ugly, put this on. You know, just to get your self esteem up. So, yeah, I think I'm ugly, so I'm gonna put that on. And if you think that you are, a nice person from heart, put this on. If you think that coronavirus is bad, put this on. It's your choice in this one. You know, you just see. And for accessories, there, if you like music, put this on. If you like fashion, put some of, the necklaces vagera on. And if you think that you are you like to capture feelings, moments, put this on. It can really describe you. Here, put your favorite animal or favorite thing that you like the most. Like, I personally like this, but this is actually my icon. It's actually my icon. Put the mask, the color of the room you are in right now. And, you know, you don't need this. You don't need this either. You don't need this either. You don't need this either. Here, pick the color of your shoes that you wore the most recently. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to show you mine afterwards. No, I don't need to show you mine though. So, yeah, good luck.